Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kom kadak jong ka jingkit kli Haka lang salang ka North Eastern Electric Power Corporation kala Aiti ya kawai kakali ka badan Henry tadi ki Jakashong ka bapendan kam daki battery Shaka Military Hospital Hashlong mentakasni kalai terik uyayong arhaja apusan kani kakali ka bayadei bat kamaryang katmu ban Pynsuk ha ka bankit ye ki Nongpang hapo katei ka Jaka sumar ha kani kasni bala Aiti ya kani kakali sha katanat trekam Layadan lang da Major General Rajesh Jha, Director Personnel ka Neepco, Lieutenant General Sanjesh Malik, GOC 101, nalor kiwi-kiwi kinong shakhot sobha. Nakalyang Major General Jha, ulayro ya ka jing shakri bakongsan jong ka Military Hospital, ha kalyang kakot kakya. Bad ula banjur ya ka jing dan kam banetray lang, hakipor banwan. Ula penpauru, bada ka jing shakri kabala ay da ka Military Hospital kalong shisha ka jing kerkuya ki patba namar ka jing shakri kabala ay ha ka ni ka hospital kalong ka bakhamba uloong bada ka jing etre lang hapadeng ka Neepco bat kiwe ki kinhon ki badan hapo ka tanat shipay on kamla ban ay ya ka jing shakri la kalong hakakot ka kya ka puli ka puthi ne ki kamyele akay ka jing ay jong ka Neepco kaya day bat ki jing thumu CSR jong ka ki bapanlet jing mut Haka ban kershan ya ki jing thumu jong ka kot ka kya ka puli ka puthi bat ki jing yele kai kani ka company ka don ka history ban shim ya ki kam CSR kanthop ya ka jing ai sobha ya ki kali kit Nongpang bat ka jing kershan ya ki jing sumar na ka menta ki Nongpang ki baduna dukhat met kani ka jing ai sobha ka penpau ya ka jing angnut jong ka Neepco ban ai byang syak lang sa lang bat ban kintiw ya ka roi kapar
Military Hospital Shillong came as a savior that day, and I came here myself in the van. I sat in this corridor, which I had the privilege of inspecting a few months ago, and nothing was charged from us. I must tell this to the area commandant. We thought there'll be some charges. Every single member of the MH that day, who were not even on duty, came back from home just to help us get the needful done. So I think this gratitude on behalf of Neepco, I thought I will express and try and place it on record. And this is just, nothing can actually replace that gratitude. But I thought it's a good idea to at least get associated permanently because individuals will come and go. But Military Hospital Shillong, 101 area in Neepco is here to stay. And this is just the first step, this is just the beginning. I'm looking at institutionalized support from Neepco towards the 101 area in general and in particular the MH and the Asha school. So to that extent, I think I'm grateful to my CSR team also who are more than willing to do the heavy lifting for me because after all, they have to do all the logistics and they made it happen. So thank you, my CSR team.
I came here by this awkward timing because I'm right now sitting in a video conference with Delhi where just short of coming here, we were being addressed by our defense minister. And one of the major points he told us that it's the role of the areas and sub-areas to ensure civil-military fusion. So what Jan Jha gave an example of MH Shillong coming out to assist on a Sunday, I assure Team Neepco that should it be even an emergency procedure, we have provisions for not authorized people on payment to be done, but provided we have a specialist for that, right? So you would never hear a no from us. MH has, even if there's a road accident on this highway, MH has been the first respondent always. So I'm very happy with the present team at MH Shillong also. So when you were offshedding GOC, to now you would have seen that we've got a CT scan here below We've got a lot of things. My requirement for this electrical vehicle, I had two requirements. One was cardiac or a critical care ambulance, which the army commander very graciously gave us money, which we have just acquired on 29th of March. And the second was the electrical vehicles. And why so? Because from the gate, the veterans get down and they come to ECHS Polyclinic, which may be just a 50-meter walk, but look at their age. Then the MOIC refers them for an X-ray or an ultrasound. Look at the distance from there to the base of this place. And we're so happy. We tried this vehicle with 6 people, and all 6 could go down till the CT scan and climb up. Uh, that was one of my concerns, that there are a number of electrical vehicles, but an electrical vehicle which can take the slope and the road.